Hello everyone! Since we announced our work on sanction list checking functionality, we received many questions from you as to when the integration with Paxfiles will be available. I am pleased to announce that the integration is now live. And now let's see how you can easily and quickly check your packs using the Paxfiles functionality in Leon. In the Ops view, please click on the flight and in the Checklist tab, select the Sanction List item from the Packs section. Then simply click the Check button and our tool will check if Pax is on any sanction list. It's very simple, isn't it? If your Pax is on any sanction list, Leon will display a pop-up with a warning.